Hi everyone, I've got a problem here. What happens if you have an absolute value equation? We have absolute values on both sides of the equation and variables within both absolute values. For those of you who are in my online class, this is section 2.6 number 4 as of spring 2017. Okay, this may change in future semesters if I decide to keep this video up. Alright, well, you've got two cases. I like to break them up into what I call the positive case and then the negative case. Okay, and again, this isn't mathematically correct or anything. It's just a way that I like to keep things organized on a problem like this. The positive case, it's pretty much how you see it there, okay? 6x minus 9 equals 10x plus 4. And then you just solve that. Okay. Some people like to keep their variables on the left. Some people like to work with positive leading coefficients. I'm going to go ahead and put my variable on the left. So I'm going to subtract both sides by 10x. That'll give me a negative 4x minus 9 equals 4. Now I'll add a 9 to both sides. It gives me a negative 4x equals 13. So x will be a negative 13/4. Okay, that's one answer, and that's my positive case, okay? Now for my negative case, and this is probably the one where people tend to have the most heartburn on. How you do this is make one side negative, okay? Not both sides, just one side. So I'll make my right side negative. So 6x minus 9, leave the left side as it is. But the right side, take the negative of all of that. Right? So the negative of the 10x plus 4. And then solve that. 6x minus 9 equals negative 10x minus 4. I'll do the same thing I did before where I add 10x to both sides. Only notice this time I've got 16x minus 9 equals negative 4. Now I'll add the 9 to both sides. 16x equals 5, so x will equal 5/16. That's how to do this kind of a problem, okay? Again, the big takeaway here is probably right at the beginning of this negative case. Just take the negative of one side, not both sides, just one side, and be consistent. I'd usually go with the right-hand side and just stay with it, okay? Change the right-hand side and keep it negative like that. You should be okay.